let's talk. So, as most of you guys know, some of you may have noticed that I've been gone for a little bit. It's been getting near a month since I last actually posted a video. The reason being actually is because the Mustang seats have been taking a while. But I wanted to fill you guys in on the whole entire reason that I got the Mustang in the first place. So let me first back up and say I'm sorry for a lot of you guys who are really disappointed that you wanted to see something crazy, or you came on late and you wanted to see more of what was happening to the Supra. For you guys, wait. I'm buying a new car on Monday, and that project we are going to go crazy with. We're going to have a lot of fun with it. You're going to go back to saying, guarantee there will be wide body, thinking air suspension on this one, custom interior. It's going to be actually pretty exciting. I'll walk you guys through that when I get in the car, which will be Monday is when I'm getting in the car. Video, not sure exactly when it will come out because I need to be able to film when it's light out, and the timing of it, I won't be able to get a date until it's light, until pretty much a week from today. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So when I got the Mustang, I bought it with a specific purpose in mind, and that was I wanted to give it to my brother. My brother is not the hugest car guy in the world, but he has cars that will catch his eye and cars that he's like, he will always point out to me like, hey, I like that car, isn't that a nice car? And the Mustang was one of them. So even though it's a V6 and automatic, it is the perfect car for him. He's a senior in high school, and it's just the kind of car that will line up exactly with what he wants and what he needs. I wanted to give it to him for Christmas, kind of be as a surprise, but I wanted to make sure that he didn't know it was coming, so I waited. And it's a few days after Christmas right now. I have the keys right here in this little box, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it to him. I'm not sure how much I'll show you guys. I'll try to at least get a little bit of his reaction, but I really want this moment to be with me and with him, so I'll do what I can, but no guarantees on how much you'll see. With the ideas and what I did to the car, everything came down to what he wanted. So the reason I went with that specific body style is because that is one that he loves. I went with the color red because he wanted the red one. 5 spokes because he wanted 5 spokes in a darker gray that wasn't like a light silver because that's what he wanted. The front lip, the tail light. The reason I got the Mustang on the back in a silver instead of a black was because that's what he wanted. Inside, converting to black, getting a stereo, having it come with a stereo that he could plug his phone into, the seats with red stitching and seat heaters, everything that he would want. Even to the headlights and taillights are things that I ran through him. I said, hey, what would you think of this? What would you think of that? Trying to get his opinion and see if I can make it exactly how he wants. I know that he's a smart guy and he probably figured it out by now, but I'm still going to see if I can give it to him and see how much of a surprise it is. So anyway, I'm about to go see if he can go to Dollar Tree with me, because that's a great place to go, and on the drive maybe give him the keys to a Mustang. So yeah, I'm incredibly nervous about this right now.
Later that night.
Come in.
Hello there.
Hey.
It's clean, almost.
I know. What do you think?
That's pretty cool.
I know. It's about time. It took only 4 hours last night.
Wow. I'm impressed.
I forgot to give you a Christmas gift.
Is that for me?
It's for you. I had taken out other ones, and that one's yours.
What is this?
What do you think?
Is this the Mustang?
Yes, sir.
You're giving me the Mustang?
You're getting the Mustang.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you.
What do you think?
That's amazing.
I tried to... Did you have it figured out?
No.
You sure?
Absolutely positive.
Because I was pretty sure you had it figured out that I was going to give it to you.
No, I didn't think it was going to be... I mean, I thought like you were going to get another car up and running and you're going to sell it to me for cheap.
Yes.
That's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's so cool.
I tried to make it so all the headlights and everything, like the taillights, like I tried to get your okay with it for each one. That's why I was asking like so many questions like all last year about Mustangs.
I figured you just asked me that because you knew I liked Mustangs. I didn't think you were going to give it to me.
No, I was trying to save up and get all the ideas so I can eventually get a Mustang to then build, so that way you could have something you like.
That's awesome.
So yeah.
Thanks. I don't know what else to say. Just...
I know. I wouldn't either, but yeah, no, obviously.
That's so cool.
Yeah, obviously you need to finish it, get the seats in, but yeah.
But yeah.
That's it.
That's
so
awesome.
You'll get the Mustang and then go from there. So
that's really cool.
yeah, it really all depends on how long it takes Mom to get the seats done though, unfortunately. So it could be yours to drive in 5 months, but yep, I'll get it registered, everything good to go, and
That's so
Have yourself a
cool.
Mustang.
That's awesome.
So
Wow.
there you go. I really thought you had it figured out though.
Nope. No
I
idea.
did.
No
Because, yeah, once I got the Mustang letters on the back and I like sent you the picture which one you wanted, I thought you had it figured out. And I kept telling Jill and Jonathan, I was like, oh, I'm gonna give it to him, but I don't know if he's gonna have it figured out beforehand because I wanted it to be a surprise.
Right. It is a surprise.
Well, that's good.
That's great.
So mission accomplished.
I thought you were gonna be like another wish thing because I felt light and I saw the styrofoam at first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's so cool.
Anyway,
Wow.
there you go.
Thank you.
You own a Mustang.
That's amazing. Thanks.
You are welcome.
Wow.
You are welcome.
The best Christmas gift.
Not bad. Not bad. I have no idea how much of that you caught. I'm hoping it was a good amount. That was pretty cool. That was awesome. That made my day. So, yeah. That was kind of what it all built up to. I'm really happy that he gets it and that it gets to someone that he owns, so, or gets to go to someone that's gonna love it. This leads me to the next point. Let me talk about what's going to happen with this channel because things are about to change. So here's the deal. With the channel, I wanted to make sure that I have purpose to what I'm doing instead of just putting out videos of me working on cars, just to have videos of me working on cars out there. So I've created this plan that is going to give my channel a reason for you guys to keep coming back other than just watch me work on cars. So here's what we're going to do without me trying to beat around the bush anymore. As you saw, I gave the Mustang to my brother. It's because I had something that I just really wanted to do. I love giving things to people just to see the reactions. That's why Christmas is my favorite time of the year. Just so I could try to be the one who kills it on the present game, giving out the best presents because I just love seeing people's reactions. I don't care if it costs me money. I don't care if it's maybe financially not the best decision for myself, but it's what I want to do. So here's what I'm planning to do with the channel. I will rotate between one build for me, one build for someone else, one build for me, one build for someone else. So I kind of already started that without saying, where the Supra was a build for me, Mustang was a build for my brother. Next one, it's gonna be my car and we're gonna have some fun with it. So the next one will be a build for me, and then after that will be a build for someone else. I have an idea of who I want to, but I need to make sure I'm able to do it and can financially afford it, which is where you guys come in. So first thing you guys can do to help the channel is simply watch the videos. I know there's so many ways you can give monetarily, and there will be some I'll talk about in a second, but simply watching the videos and just showing support is one of the biggest ways. Second way, share it with friends. Obviously, the more people who see it, the more that I'm able to have freedom in creating what I want for you guys. And also something that I want to build for other people as well. So share the videos, watch them, leave your comments down below. I want to get you guys engaged. That way you guys are in this process with me. With all the cars that I build, especially ones for myself, they're more experiment cars than anything else. They're just me saying, hey, what if, and giving it a shot. So if you guys have an idea that you're like, hey, I kind of want to see this, leave a comment down below, and if I'm like, hey, that's a good idea, I'll give it a shot. Like for example, on the next car, I'm going to, almost got you guys there. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm doing to the next car. In 2 videos, you'll see. I'm really excited for where this is going. If you guys want to see, or if you guys also want to contribute monetarily though, please check out the Patreon links down below. I release any updates I have, so say the couple cars that I've gone and looked at, I put updates on the Patreon down below, so go look at those if you want to see. It's just as simple as you can give $1 a month, and all that helps towards me. Guys, please just take a look at them, even if you don't decide to be a patron. It's just looking will be good enough, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I can't thank you guys enough. I know it's been very early in the journey, and I know it's early, and I'm saying that not with the intent of saying, hey, we're small, but I'm saying this is a journey that's gonna start lasting. It's gonna start going now, and it's gonna last for a good long while, guys. I don't plan to just do this YouTube as a little part-time thing. I'm gonna take this seriously. We're gonna make this happen, and I plan to make this a full-time career. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do the usual, dislike, unsubscribe, leave your hate in the comments. Bye.